Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Today let us study about the rationalization. So what do you mean by rationalization? So the process of converting an irrational number to a rational number by multiplying with another rational number is called as rationalization. The process of converting an irrational number to a rational number by multiplying with another irrational number is called as rationalization. When you multiply an irrational number with another irrational number, this irrational number is called as rationalizing factor of root 2. Root 2 is root 2. By what you have multiplied for a rational number, that multiplied term will be called as rationalize RF, rationalizing factor. Once again I will repeat, process of converting an irrational number. This is an irrational number. To get a rational number by multiplying with another rational number is called as rationalization. When you multiply an irrational number, that irrational number is called as rationalizing factor of root. Now I will give you some more examples. Rationalizing factor of monomials. Monomial, single term. If it is root 3, root 5, root 7, by what if you multiply? You get the rational number. So root 3, if it is multiplied by root 3, you get root 9, nothing but it is equal to 3, a rational number. So monomial irrational number should be multiplied by the, in case of square roots, should be multiplied by the same monomial irrational number. Root 5. If you multiply with root 5, you get root 25, that is equal to 5. Then what is this root 5 is called as? Rationalizing factor of root 5. Root 7, by what I should multiply? Root 7. So that root 49, that is equal to 7. This is a rational number. So root 7 is called a rationalizing factor of root 7. These are all monomials. Now if I consider binomials, plus root 3. So which is the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3? So which is the rationalizing factor? So the RF of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. If there is plus, you write it as minus. If there is minus, you can write it as plus. How will you call this as a RF? You multiply and see. See, for example, 2 plus root 3, you have to multiply with another rational number, that is 2 minus root 3. This is equal to, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A squared minus b squared, that is 2 whole squared minus root 3 whole squared. 2 squared means 2 into 2, 4 minus root 3 into root 3. It is root 9. Root 9 value is how much? It is 3. Is equal to 1. What is 1 is? A rational number. Therefore, for 2 plus root 3, the rationalizing factor is 2 minus root 3. So like this, if they give you binomials also, you will be able to write the rationalizing factor. So what is the RF of 5 minus root 2? The RF of 5 minus root 2 is 5 plus root 2. What is the RF of root 2 plus 1? The RF means rationalizing factor of root 2 plus 1 is root 2 minus 1. So, you are able to tell the rationalizing factor of monomials as well as binomials. In this class, we have to learn how to rationalize the denominator. So, I will show you how you have to rationalize the denominators. For example, so this is an irrational number. I have to rationalize it. So the following steps are followed. 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So first what we have to do is, what is the rationalizing factor of RF of root 2? RF of root 2 is root 2. So you have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by the RF of denominator. Got it what I am saying? You know what is the RF of denominator? RF of denominator, that root 2 is root 2 only. So, with that RF, you have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. So, this is equal to root 2 by root 2 whole square. How many times is that? 2 times. This is equal to root 2 by. If you multiply root 2 into root 2 twice, you will get root 4. That is equal to how much? 2. So, you have rationalized the denominator. This is how you rationalize the denominator. For example, I will show you 3-4 examples. In the text page number 23, you have example 18, 19 and 20. Example 18 is 1 by 2 plus root 3. Example 19, it is 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Example 20 is 1 by 7 plus root 2. You have to remember the steps, then we can solve it. So 1 by 2 plus root 3. 1 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. What you have to do is, you have to write the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3. For binomials, you know what you have to write the rationalizing factor. The rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. With this rationalizing factor, you have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. This is the first step. If you do this, half of the problem is over. Then here only the 1 marks will be allotted. Only thing, you have to know if it is plus for a binomial, by what you have to multiply numerator and denominator? By minus. Now 1 into any number is always the same number. So it is 2 minus root 3 divided by. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a squared minus b squared. So it is 2 squared minus root 3 whole squared. This is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 2 square. 2 into 2, how much it is? 4 minus root 3 whole square means how many times you have to multiply root 3? Twice. What you get? It is 3. So 4 minus 3. This is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 1. 1 is a rational number. You have rationalized the denominator. So any number divided by 1 is the same number. That is equal to 2 minus root 3. Did you get, children? Only first step you have to be more confirmed. That is, if it is plus, you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by minus if it is a binomial. If it is a monomial, by the same term only. What is the second example? Hope you got the steps here. Same way the second one also you have to do. The second one is 5 by root 3 minus root 5. 5 by root 3 minus root 5 is equal to, tell me what I have to do? 5 by root 3 minus root 5 I have to take down, multiplied by numerator and denominator by RF of root 3 minus root 5 is root 3 plus root 5. So I will just write here numerator root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 5. Hope you know now what is the next step. Into root 3 plus root 5 divided by, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a squared minus b squared. A means it is root 3 whole squared minus b means root 5 whole squared. So 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3 plus 5 into root 5 is 5 root 5 divided by root 3 whole square means how many times I have to multiply? 2 times. What's the answer I get is 3. What is here? Minus root 5 into root 5, root 25. Root 25 the value is 5. So this is equal to 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 divided by minus 2. Hope you know this first step. Second step. Third step is here. Multiply twice. Here, you know it is, you have to subtract. From bigger number you will subtract smaller number. 5 minus 3 is 2. Greater number sign you will put, so it becomes minus. The last example is there. Last example is 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Now, you will be able to do yourself, children. 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 is equal to 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 into, I have to multiply. RF of, what is 7 plus 3 root 2 RF? RF of 7 plus 3 root 2 is 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 minus 3 root 2. Correct? You have to multiply the RF by numerator and denominator. This is a plus b into a minus b. A squared minus, what is b is 3 root 2. This is equal to 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 into 7, how much it is? 49. 3 root 2 is equal to 3 3 is 9. Root 2 into root 2, root 4. 9 into 2, 18. So, the final answer what you get is 7 minus 3 root 2 by 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. You have to underline the answer, that you should not forget. Now from exercise 1.5, you can do the fifth mean. Exercise 1.5, fifth mean you have to solve. Thank you children.